this video, I'm gonna share with you the artworks that you sent in that you made during the 4 weeks of Saturday online classes that we done now during the pandemics. So keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charlotta and this is London Art Nanny, and this is the online part. I run art classes in London and now I'm also doing Zoom classes online. And now in this video, as promised, I will share the artworks that you guys have sent in, the ones that has taken part of my Saturday classes, which are free here on YouTube. So every Saturday 2 p.m. BST I am running free art classes here on YouTube, and that is for 6+-year-olds, but it's also for adults, so it's like a family event for us to kind of stay connected and stay creative. And yeah, I know that a lot of us are spending a lot of time at home at this moment, so it's kind of a nice way to stay connected. But before I show you the works that you guys sent in, I want to share this lovely review that Alana sent in, and she also made a full video out of her and her kids taking part in my art classes. So if you want to see that full video, head over to her channel, Alana. And here's what she wanted to say about the classes. Thank you, Simone.
I'm amazed, like the children, they love to be out and about playing and they're busy all the time. But when I put Charlotta on, they sit there and they just love painting, and they really enjoy it when Charlotta asks them questions and how are they getting on and everything as well, which hopefully you'll hear throughout the video. And yeah, it's just really nice and I love it. I like to take part as well when I can, when little baby Mikey allows me to do it.
Wasn't that nice? Thank you guys for sending in your artworks. It was so fun to see them, and it was so fun to make this summary for you guys as well, so you can see what the other kids have done. This Saturday, 2 p.m. BST, we are creating something out of an egg box and 4 lids, so circled lids. If you don't have circle lids, you can also use a toilet paper roll, and we'll cut it into 4 pieces instead. Okay? I hope to see you on Saturday. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Everyone is welcome. You are invited. So see you then. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.